a 1967 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box at Unique Specialty and Classics. Don't judge a book by a cover on this one. Kind of a patina finish to it. Underneath the hood, 6-liter LQ4 engine. So it's kind of got that resto mod thing going for it. 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, 2300 stall. Power steering, power brakes, serpentine belt system. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. So fuel injected Edelbrock system on this one. And we'll pop the hood at the end of the video here, let you check it out. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. But first, if you want to take a look at the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, the bed of the truck. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You have disc brakes up front. Remember, power brakes, disc up front, Rocket racing wheels. And then again, here you can pick up on that patina look. Smoke windows both sides, so depending on your state and local laws, make sure you know your percentage of window tint that you can have on. A little bit different in every state. But you can kind of see where the clears come off, and that's where you're picking up that patina look. Definitely a sleeper. Now, if you are wondering about transportation, we can assist with that. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you can see a soft tonneau cover on the rear of it. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, some things that were new in 2022 on this one. It does have 410 posi rear end. That was new in 2022. Also belts, hoses, battery and cables, starter and alternator, water pump, all fluids, and complete exhaust, also in 2022. And again, check out the underside. You'll be able to see the exhaust system underneath there. See this side exiting exhaust in front of that rear wheel, both sides. And you can see it from the underside pictures too. Probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. Go ahead and take a look at the interior. Cloth vinyl combination. Bench seat, seat belts intact. Still keeping somewhat of that stock look on the interior. Our seats and gauges. Does have the aftermarket tack mounted on the steering column, as you can see here. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Listen to that. And again, 6-liter LQ4, aluminum heads, nice aftermarket stereo in it. Let's listen to this. Door closes nicely. Don't judge a book by its cover. Listen to that. Set up to drive. Previous owner, consignor of this vehicle, said best way to drive this one with the overdrive transmission. You drive around town, third gear, just leave it in third. Get out on the highway, that overdrive is needed. Slip it in overdrive, way you go. Run down the highway nice. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. I want to show you this engine bay. Check out exactly what's underneath there. There it is, 6-liter, fuel injected, serpentine belt system as you can see, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, headers, power steering, power brakes, nice setup. Nicely wired, neat looking engine bay. 67 Chevrolet C10.
We have a 1967 Chevrolet C10 going out for a little drive. Both our blinker pressure gauge under the dash reading 50 psi.
Regular cab short box, kind of going with that resto mod patina look. Any questions, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate